Hi guys, Scott McPharlin here from Magain Real Estate and welcome to 501 Oak Avenue in Tonsley. Got a fantastic apartment and this is one of the last available. All the others have been sold, so it could be your final opportunity to get in on these fantastic properties. 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, beautiful kitchens, stone bench tops. It's got all the features. Why don't we go around and have a look? So there you have it. What an absolutely fantastic property. I love how close it is to public transport. It's got Marion Shopping Centre just down the road and the secure parking is absolutely fantastic. My name's Scott McPharlin from Magain Real Estate. Can't wait to see it and open soon.